Hi, welcome back to my channel. I was a bit busy with a family wedding so couldn't upload any videos, but finally I'm free. Today we are making a Pinterest inspired clay mirror for Maria's school project. We received the mirror so late so it's kinda night, but we need to make it so she can take it to the school in the morning. Anyways, Maria is also helping me. We are using foam clay. They are so soft and fluffy and don't even stick to any surface. I love using them. We are making a floral mirror with a little touch of my melody because you all know how much Maria is crazy about Sanrio characters. Now we are repeating the same steps for making more flowers. You just have to change the size of a ball if you want to make in the different sizes. Once they are properly dry, we are going to stick them on the mirror with the help of any glue. First, we are going to arrange all the flowers on the mirror so it will be easy for us to stick them on the right place. I just love how it turns out. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.